Here is the Etekcity ESF551 Smart Fitness Scale. Let's get it open, set it up, and we'll test all of its functions and features. Inside the box, we only get this scale here. It's thin and lightweight with these foot pads on the bottom, and it's nice and modern and stylish. We should come down to the batteries here and remove this insulator. Just pull that on out so now it can function. And this operates on 3 AAA batteries, which are included. So this is just under 11 inches wide, but just under 11 inches tall. And if you look at how tall it is due to these foot pads here, it stands about 1¼ inch off the ground. We need to go to the App Store and download the VSync app. Once we got that, we're gonna sign up for an account. We're gonna make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Now we'll need to add our device. It will search for your device. And if it's not appearing like this right here, you can just come down to your device, put a little bit of weight on it so that the numbers pop up like this, and then it should be able to find it. So we select that device and it will start connecting to it. I'm gonna name mine Smart Scale. Doesn't need a custom icon, so we save. We have an About Me section to fill out. And now it's time to weigh in. We set the scale on a flat, hard surface. Then we step onto the scale with bare, dry feet. We wait for these zeros here to disappear and it will show our accurate weight. And now you can see I got a full report on my body here. My BMI, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, body water, skeletal muscles, bone mass, BMR, visceral fat, muscle mass, protein percentage, and my metabolic age, which I'm actually 37, so this sounds pretty good for now. Now what's cool is that we can also get weekly wellness reports, we can explore wellness routines, we can even include our diet by creating meal plans and adding the food that we eat. We can also set goals for ourselves and check out our data graphs over time, which could be very useful. And within the app, I'm going to set a 6 a.m. measuring reminder so I know to weigh myself every morning at the same time. And then I set a goal for myself and it gave me a little questionnaire and it came up with this recommended nutrition plan, exercise plan, recommended daily calories, and how long it's going to take me to meet my goals. That's pretty cool. And now I'll be able to track my progress over time. And now to easily access the app on my phone, I can just add it to my home screen. So overall, I'd say it's a nice scale, it's easy to read, it works quickly, and I like that the app gives us so much information more than just our weight that we get right here, which apparently I am almost 170 pounds.